Hi, I'm Vivin Desana and you're watching me on Filmy Beat. Right now, while I was on my way, I was listening to Swedish House Mafia,
Okay.
Don't You Worry Child. और उसके अलावा I think one of my most favorite songs, like I've always said, What Goes Around Comes Back Around. It's my
Right.
all-time favorite.
Can you sing one line?
What goes around comes back around. थोड़ी सी consistency रही है मेरी life.
Okay.
कुछ चीजों को लेके मैं बहुत consistent रहा हूँ. Somehow maybe मेरा nature है. But I think रेखा जी हैं, सुष्मिता सेन, till today. I think मेरा दोस्त मुझे बड़ी अच्छी personality लगता है, which is Ravi Dubey.
Ravi Dubey.
He is a very interesting personality and I think very intelligent. He's very intelligent. I had a great time working with Rubin.
Okay.
One of the best co-stars I've had.
Hi guys, this is Kinnari Singh. Welcome to Filmy Beat and we have Vivian with us. Vivian, first of all, thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you so much for that.
Thanks to you for having me. Thank you.
So we are going to play this fun rapid fire segment. I'm sure आपने ऐसे segments खेली होंगे, but we hope कि आपको मजा आए and जब आपके fans ये देखें तो उन्हें भी मजा आए. We
Looking
hope.
forward.
Okay. So just the two requirements of this fun rapid fire. You have to be, hopefully you'll be honest, lie, and you have to be quick. बस इतना ही requirement. Okay. So we'll start. The first question is, if you could be any Indian snack or dish, which one would you be and why?
Any dessert.
Why? Reason क्या है?
रीजन ये है कि मुझे पर्सनली डिजर्ट बहुत पसंद है और खासकर मुझे आई ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड बट ये बात आप भी जानते हैं कि इंडियन डिजर्ट का दुनिया में कोई मुकाबला नहीं.
Right. But how do you relate with it? Is it because आप नेचर में काफी स्वीट है, if you want to,
नहीं.
yeah, ऐसा नहीं.
मेरे नेचर का इस डिजर्ट से कोई
कोई
कनेक्शन. See, the thing is that we all have different personality, but I think dessert हम usually easily बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो हमारा personal favorite होता है. But I think instead of me decide मैं कौन सी Indian dish, ये काम हम fans को देते हैं.
Fans.
So guys, you decide
Yeah.
what Indian dish I am.
I'm sure very interesting answers will be there. The second question, the one emoji जो आप बहुत use करते हो while WhatsApp or while chatting, one emoji.
I think smiley normally हम जो
Smiley.
normal smiley use करते हैं.
Okay. What was the last song you were listening or humming to?
Last song I was listening. I think it was right now while I was on my way. I was listening to Swedish House Mafia,
Okay.
Don't You Worry Child. और उसके अलावा I think one of my most favorite songs, like I've always said, What Goes Around Comes Back Around. It's my
Right.
all-time favorite.
Can you sing one line?
What goes around comes back around.
Okay, thank you so much. Last movie you saw?
Last movie, Jawan.
And did you like that?
I loved it.
Okay, great. Who's your celebrity crush currently? And अगर अभी कोई नहीं है तो पहले कौन था?
देखिए इसमें थोड़ी सी कंसिस्टेंसी रही है मेरी लाइफ.
Okay.
कुछ चीजों को लेके मैं बहुत कंसिस्टेंट रहा हूँ. Somehow maybe मेरा नेचर है. But I think रेखा जी हैं, सुष्मिता सेन, till today.
Good choice. What's your guilty pleasure?
डाइट के अलावा कुछ और खाना कुछ भी चलता है.
Okay.
I mean, of course, especially Indian food and of course Egyptian.
Right. Okay. Who's your favorite television personality? It can be an actor, actress, but one favorite television personality.
TV personality.
Yeah.
I think मेरा दोस्त मुझे बड़ी अच्छी personality लगता है, which is Ravi Dubey.
Ravi Dubey.
He is a very interesting personality and I think very intelligent. He's very intelligent.
Right. Okay. The one thing you dislike about television industry or you would like to change as an actor, what would be that?
I think पहली बात तो मैं चेंज करने वाला कोई होता नहीं और डिसलाइक तो as such है नहीं.
Okay.
Because see, God has been really kind. Last 4 shows of mine on Indian TV have been decently hit.
Yeah.
And मुझे ऐसी कोई अपनी ऑडियंस से किसी तरह की कोई शिकायत नहीं है, कोई शिकवा नहीं है, कोई गिले शिकवे नहीं. बट हाँ, I think the number of hours and especially you know, when now since we have reached that culture of Monday to Sunday
Yeah.
telecast, 7
Yeah.
days a week.
Yeah.
So I think वो थोड़ा सा humanly
It's difficult.
discomfort.
Yeah.
But you know, I mean, I think delivery of an episode is more important than
Right.
in Indian television.
Right. One app which you often use as of now.
One app
App. Yeah.
that I often use.
Yeah.
I think WhatsApp ही है.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, you
Okay.
use the WhatsApp the most.
Okay. What's the good and bad thing about being famous? One good thing and one bad thing which you have discovered.
See, one good thing is not only good. I think it's the best thing to be famous. आपको बहुत सारा प्यार मिलता है. उन लोगों से मिलता है जिनको आप जानते नहीं. So I think that's the best part of being famous. And bad thing is कि somehow your privacy can be intruded at any given point of time because you're a public figure.
Yeah.
So people feel that they have more rights on you than you on yourself.
Right. The one thing you look in for your co-star, you hope कि ये quality हो, be it a male or a female.
बस अपना काम ठीक से करे. हम
Basic
अच्छा सा-
requirement है.
बहुत बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है. अपना काम ठीक से करे, हम अच्छा सा शो बनाए, साथ में काम करने में जिसको बोलते हैं ना अल्ट्रा प्रोफेशनल तरीके से. क्योंकि आई थिंक मैंने लास्ट जो भी शोज करे हैं ऑन इंडियन टेलीविजन रिसेंटली अल्ट्रा प्रोफेशनल लोगों के साथ करे.
Okay. Right.
रिजल्ट अच्छा है.
Okay. Last few question. If everything is in your control, if you had to pick a project, what would you pick a project basis on a script or a director's name? अगर सब कुछ आपके हाथ में.
Script.
Script.
Because I somehow feel, especially in Indian television, I think not only in Indian,
Yeah.
even films,
Yeah.
script is the current hero.
True.
क्योंकि audience has become very smart. Now, if they will connect and associate with the subject, then they'll come and watch you. If they don't, you cannot make them watch.
Yeah. True. What's the hardest part about being an actor?
Being an actor,
Yeah. That is the hardest part.
you have to play different characters at different point of time, like, and somehow maybe people accept it, maybe people don't. But as a matter of fact, they affect you a lot psychologically.
Okay. Okay. Someone from the industry, not necessarily.
And which is why I say, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
No, it's
Which is why I say, offloading of a character after a show is very important because somehow it becomes a part of your day-to-day life.
Yeah.
So you need to get rid of that character once you're done playing it.
right. Someone from the industry, not necessarily television, but you want to share screen space with or work with sooner or later. That's your wish list.
ऐसे तो कभी सोचा नहीं किसी के बारे में. I think whoever especially I had a great time working with Rubina.
Okay.
One of the best co-stars I've had. And I think somehow she, in fact, Twinkle also. She was very professional, and since now so thoda sa zyada experience, so she was discussing things with me and taking some tips and asking a lot of questions. But yeah, with Rubina I had a fab time shooting her.
Right.
Rubina is somebody I really look up to work with.
Okay. Actor नहीं होते तो क्या होते हैं?
फुटबॉलर होता और क्या.
Okay. Okay. आज भी टाइम निकाल के
बिल्कुल ऑल स्टार्स में खेलता हूँ. I'm not getting time much for football, but yeah, it's my target that now I have to start playing regularly.
Right.
Like at least, if not every Sunday, at least alternate Sundays.
Right. But do you miss now that you're an actor that अगर वो sports में जाता like something like that, do you miss that?
No.
Not at all. Which is good. Okay.
God gives you everything in your life for a reason, and the reason is best known to Him, and you will never understand.
True. The last question, apart from acting and of course playing football, what's your special talent? Like it's a hidden one.
No, not a hidden.
Okay.
People know about. I cook a lot. I love cooking. Yeah, I bake also sometimes.
Okay.
And I've learned a lot of baking from my wife. So I think, cooking.
What's the best dish you've ever cooked?
Many things I cook.
But one if you can.
Indian.
Indian. Okay.
I think I make one of the best. My family and friends say I make one of the best dals, and we call it the highway wali, dhaba style dal.
हाँ.
और वो actually मैंने किसी से एक ढाबे पे मैं गया था, मध्य प्रदेश में एक ढाबा है, कट द लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, वहाँ पे मैंने उनके शेफ को बुला के पूछा था कि आप कैसे बनाते हैं, फिर मैंने वो सेम चीज घर पे आके ट्राई करी थी, थोड़ा सा अपना स्टाइल था, बट आई टर्न आउट टू बी गुड, सो आई कुक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट दाल्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स रेस्ट एवरीथिंग एल्स आई
Right. One thing, this is the last question, which you really want to make, like you want to master, but वो कहीं ना कहीं crack नहीं हो पा रहा, like the cooking part I'm asking.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं,
You can-
इतना बड़ा शेफ तो बनना नहीं है भूख मिटानी है और अपने हाथ का खाना खाना है बस, so I'm happy with what I have.
Right. Okay, on this note, thank you so much, Vivin, for this
Thank you,
lovely segment. Anything you want to say to your fans?
Just one thing I'd like to say, thank you so much guys for all the love and support, and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.